With technically a few months left in the homeschool year, it's time to finish strong. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I am scheduling the rest of the homeschool year so that we can have a strong finish. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. And today we're going to plan out the rest of our homeschool year so that we can finish strong. Now for us, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that we are very behind, and I posted a video on that in the card above. And we haven't been doing very good at catching up. So I've been looking for planners and I bought a planner on Amazon, which I did like. It was okay, but I didn't realize that it was the wrong time frame. So it starts in the summer of this year and then next year. So I decided to go ahead on Canva and just make my own planner and stick it in the binder. And that way I have exactly what it is that I want. And I would download that up onto Teachers Pay Teachers for you guys for free, so that you guys can go over to there and get it if you like it. I'll delete the kids' names and then you can go ahead and take that. Some of the pages were I bought and some of them were downloaded, and I'll just put all that stuff in the description below. So basically, the first thing that I decided to do was write down goals for each child. We've come to a point in our homeschool where the kids are not enjoying it at all, which makes it a challenge every single day to get up and do school and to catch up. So I realized that I need to reevaluate what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So the first step that I'm taking is to make goals for each child. What is it that is important, that I feel is important for them to learn? And not just academically, but also in their lives. It's important for me to teach my son how to care for himself properly, how to cook, how to clean up after himself, how to become an independent learner, and to enjoy the learning process and not to dread doing our schoolwork every single day. And it's important for me to have my daughter play a lot and be creative and do some of her academic work, but also to enjoy learning and not be dreading the process of just doing work. So I have a lot of things to figure out. So I broke down their monthly planner into what I'm reading out loud to them, what books they are reading. For my son, he's in 7th grade. I'm looking at the Bible theme for the month, the character traits that I'm going to be focusing on. I'm doing an outside time tracker to get him outside more often. I'm going to be writing down the memory verse for the month and then a space for supplies needed. For my daughter who's in 3rd grade, her monthly planner looks a little bit different. We still have the read out loud and the solo reading, but we also have her science unit because she does the good and the beautiful science units, whereas my son does the full curriculum from Apologia. I also have the outside tracker and the character trait, but what I added to hers were her American Heritage Girl badges and what we're going to be working on for the month. It's important to me that she has a variety of things that she's learning skills and just to make it fun. Right now she's on a cruise with my husband, and she went to a botanical garden in the Virgin Islands with him, and she was pointing out all the things that she learned about plants, and it made her feel really good about the knowledge that she had, and it made me feel really good because it made me look good as her teacher. So it's important for them to learn a variety of different things so that they can take that with them in life and just know about different things. It's not just about passing tests, passing grades. We teach them things in reality so that they can just get through life with a greater knowledge and understanding of how the world works. I also have a calendar where I mark down the days that we're going to have half days, the days that we're going to have appointments, the days we have co-op, the days we have off, any holidays, any breaks, any things like that. These I printed off the website for free, and I will post that link in the description below. And I printed them on cardstock so they're a little bit sturdier. Then I basically took from Canva some of the planners they already had and just tweak them, change the colors, change the words around. So I put here, I have the weekly planner, which I'm gonna write down all their assignments for the week. I haven't been doing this. We've kind of just been waking up and knowing what subjects we were gonna do. I still wanna follow that schedule that I did tell you guys about before, but I'm gonna have it more organized in my planner and schedule it out for the day so that we actually get those things done. I also have to decide which curriculum I'm sticking with and which I am Dumping, well, I don't think I'm gonna dump any of it. But for example, the Good and the Beautiful level 3 that my daughter's doing is the old one. It's about a 4th grade level. She's only 8. She's supposed to be, technically in 2nd grade. So what I'm going to do, she enjoys, she doesn't hate it. It's a lot of work for her because she can do it, she understands it, but it's just like, it takes a long time. So I think I'm gonna find ways to break up her language arts, that she's still learning things, but maybe incorporating it to some of the other subjects. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that yet. But when I do figure it out, I will show it to you in a day in the life video. I also have a tracker here for community service, and I'm gonna be making sure to sign up more often for community service with our homeschool co-ops. One, so that both of my kids can earn things towards that President's Award for community service. I think that'd be really cool for them to get eventually a signed letter from a president because of the amount of community service that they're doing. Also, to have my daughter earn her hours for her American Heritage Girl. And also, doing community service helps you to be selfless and to see a different perspective of the world. And then I made a field trip log. I'm gonna try to make more intentional field trips and making sure that they're learning whatever goal it is that I have for them in the field trips. I just feel like I haven't been taking school very seriously this year. We've been doing work, but just like trying to get by. And I really want to change that from now until forever. So it's better late than never. We're gonna start now. We are gonna work through the summer and incorporate some fun activities into our summer days as well. But this is how we are gonna catch up and finish strong whenever we finish. And if you guys remember, if you like the printables that I have here, check out the links that I have in the description for you guys. I'm gonna be making more videos for those of you who are brand new to homeschooling, and then those of you who are more homeschool veterans. I'm gonna be making videos for all of you guys, okay? So I wanna thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.